going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. As you can see, we're in an apartment today and we got a plugged toilet that we got to take care of. We're going to be using the auger. See if we can get this cleared out. Snake again, just to make sure. Alright, everything seems like it's easy enough. But then I did pull back this. What do we think that is? Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys know what this is. Looks like a piece of metal of some sort. I'm thinking maybe a hairpin or something. So you guys let me know if you know. Everything seems like it's flushing good there. And that's what we want to see. Alright, let me know what you guys think. Until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna. Alright guys, so just as I'm about to leave here, I did notice these on the cupboard. I believe that's what it is. Just looks like large bobby pins. So, thanks a lot guys. Taragna.